So welcome back everyone to the second part of this tutorial, and in this part we are going to be creating the game. Alright, to get started creating the game, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead to open Scratch Desktop on our system. But then if you don't have Scratch Desktop installed on your system, all you just need to do is to go to your browser, search for Scratch, download there, and then when you seen it, download it on your system. Do you get it? Do you get that? Alright, so having done that now, I will go to my system because I have Scratch installed on my system already. I will open my system, then search Scratch. Alright, so see Scratch Desktop here. I will click on it and then open it. So when it opens, we start creating ours. Alright, so I have one open already. So initially when you open your Scratch, okay, let me just wait for this one to open so that we can just see, okay, now welcome Scratch. So right now my Scratch is open for me now. All I have here is just a sprite, which is a cat, and the environment. So let me just quickly do a preview, an explanation of the whole environment. Now by the left side here we have the code area where you write your code, and we have several blocks there. And as these blocks are grouped into categories, we have the motion category, looks category, sound category, event category, control category, sensing category, operators category, variable categories, and my blocks category. I want you to pay attention to this part that I'm explaining to you right now, because I'm going to be giving you a test to do on this particular part. Alright, so we have the motion category, which is used for the movement. So you want your sprite to move from left to right, up and down, jump, to move from one position to another, you use movement. Looks, this is where you get your, you want the appearance of your sprite. You want your sprite to talk, to say something, to change size, to change the color of the sprite. You do that in looks. Sound, this is where you get music for your sprite. And then we have control. This is where you control your movement, your sprite. You want it to do something forever, to repeat something 10 times. You write a condition from it, you get everything in control. Then we have the sensing. You want to ask him something, and then you want a feeling to be done, such as touching something. What should happen when you touch something? So that's sensing something. You get the blocks from sensing. Then we have operators, which is mostly related to mathematics. We have the variables, so you can assign a variable to a sprite, like assign a variable to a value. And also my block, you can also create your own blocks yourself. And then we have an extension here, which have numerous extensions here that we can use, like music, pen. So we're going to be working on this one maybe later on in another course, but for today just going to focus on the Beetle game that we are creating. Alright, so by the right side we have the stage. We have the stage here where the sprites and everything takes place, and then we have this start, this green flag for go, and then this red is for stop. We have these three icons here. This one is for making it smaller, yes, and this one is making it to be wider. Alright, I will click on it again to make it smaller. Then coming here below we have the settings. So we have the sprite, so I can change the name of the sprite here. Let's say I want to change the name of the sprite to gorilla. I change the name here. Can you see? You can change the name here. I can also change the size here. For example, now I want this card to be smaller. I can just write 30 here and see what happens. It has changed already. So I can change the size here. I can change it to like 306. See, it's very big now. If I change to 3000, see how big it is. Okay, the maximum is 536. I can change the direction, see, from here like this. Alright, so and I can delete the sprites from here using this trash can to delete it. And I can come here to choose a new sprite, and come here to choose a new backdrop, a new stage. a new background from this place. So but for now we're going to be creating our own game, the Beetle game that we are creating. So we are going to start from the first aspect, which is the welcome page that shows welcome to the Beetle Ultimate Race. So let's get started with this. Now to do that, now first thing we need to do is to click on this. Choose a sprite. No, we click on this paint icon that is here. Paint a new sprite. Having done that, now we draw, come to this rectangle shape and then draw a big rectangle that will cover the whole stage. Click on it, yeah, like this. Alright, I'll expand it. So right now if I come to this stage, you can see I can expand it, make it big, contain everything. Then I have this here. Next thing I need to do is to type welcome here. So when I click on this T now, this T means text. It allows us to type a text on our stage. So what I will do now is to type welcome. Alright, so if you notice something, I'm not seeing anything, and the reason is because the color for the text is purple and the background is also purple. So you writing purple on purple, you will not see what you are writing because they are both the same color. All we just need to do is to change the color of the text, which I'm going to be doing right now. So I will click on this arrow, which means select. Click on the arrow, then come to fill. I will change the fill to color. Okay, let's see, color yellow. Yes, let me see if it makes sense. Okay. Alright, so I noticed something. Yes, in the one I did there, I used color orange and blue. So I'm going to use color orange and blue too. So what I will do right now, click on this arrow and then click on the shape, the background here. Change the color from purple to color orange. And by the way, you can choose any color that you want. But for mine, I will just go with color orange and blue. So I've changed this one to color blue. Just change the toggle and then to change. Alright, so like this. So arrange it, try to make it to be in the center. Can you see mine is not in the center? I will try to adjust it like this to make it be in the center. Alright, so I think it's in the center now. Bring it down small. Alright. Oh, I think I know what's happening right now. Okay. Okay, I think it's better like this. So welcome. I want. Okay, now I will click on this T again. You can see what happens. It's being highlighted. I will change this handwriting to like, let's see this. Okay, I think this one makes sense. Welcome. Bring it back here to the center. Alright, so like this. So welcome what? So I'll come to the middle, type another one, click on the text again, come to this to type 2 there, and then click on this arrow to make it bigger. Alright, then click on the T again, then come down. I'll type D, click on the arrow, make it bigger, then again ultimate Beetle race. Alright, game. Okay, let's see, make this one bigger also. Okay, I think, okay, for this it seems so tiny. So what I'm going to do right now is to come to this outline, then give it an outline. So when I come to this outline, I'll click on this color picker, this eyedrop icon, then come here, pick the color. Okay, like this. Fantastic. Alright, I can increase the size. Now I have one here. Make sure that you are clicking on this ultimate Beetle race. There I can increase the size to like 2. Alright, this one too. I can also increase the size also. Oh, this is black. I need to also do the same thing. Pick the color. Alright, so you can just do it for every one of them, then arrange them on the screen just like this. So I think we are good to go on that. So the next thing we need to do right now is to write the code. So make sure that you arrange it on the screen very well. Then let's get started by writing the code. So I click on code now for the sprite one. So I need to change the name from sprite one to welcome because this is the welcome page. I've type welcome here, welcome, like this. Fantastic. So next thing I'll do is go to my event and then do when green flag clicked. So for the welcome, so our target right now is that anytime we click on the green flag, we want this welcome screen to appear for just 3 seconds. 3 seconds. How many seconds? 3 seconds. So what I will do right now is to do, when I click on the green flag, then what should happen? I want it to show. I will go to my looks and then say show, then so that it can show. Then it should show for how many seconds? 3 seconds, just like I said. 3 seconds, that's when it will be showing. Then after 3 seconds we want it to hide, just like this. So when I click on my green flag now, let's see what happens. Very good. Can you see what happened? It is hidden, we cannot see it again. Fantastic, that's what we want. So the next thing right now is we're going to create the next one, which is the person talking, welcoming us. So just like this now, welcome to the yes. Then this guy appears, so that's what we're going to do. I eraser, so that says I eraser, what's your name? So we're going to do that now. So I go back here. So next thing we need to do is to come to us, choose a sprite, then we come here. So you can choose any sprite you want. You want to choose Abby, Avery, anyone you want to choose. But for mine, I will choose Devin. I think I like Devin. So you can choose anyone you want. But for mine, I will choose Devin. Then what I will do is I'll write some code for Devin. First code is going to be when green flag clicked, then what should happen? So I want Devin to be hidden when welcome page is showing, because I cannot allow them to show at the same time like this. It does not make sense like this. So I want Devin to disappear when welcome is showing. Then after welcome is done showing, then Devin should appear. So when green flag is clicked, I want Devin to hide. For how many seconds? Tell me how many seconds. Very good, 3 seconds. So come here, I've typed 3 here. Then next thing, after 3 seconds, I want him to appear. Sure. Let's see now. Welcome to the ultimate Beetle race. Can you see? Just when this welcome page disappear, he appears back. Fantastic. So having done that now, I think we can proceed with other code that we need. Now when he appears, what is he going to say? It's going to say welcome us. So we're going to go to ask, go to sensing, then ask what's your name. It's going to be asking us what's our name. So we come into this ask, we are going to change the typing there. Go say a razors, what's your name? What's your name? Question mark, like this. So let's test it now. Welcome to the Beetle Ultimate. Yes. Hey Razor, what's your name? Fantastic. If I type my name here now, Ayomide, you see nothing happen. So we're going to make him say welcome whatever you have typed there. So what I will do right now is to come to this looks and then do say hello for 2 seconds. So if I do come here now, welcome to the Beetle Ultimate, and I type Ayomide there. See, just say hello, it's not saying my name. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to come to this answer, put the answer here. So let's see what will happen now. Then I just type rubbish there. Can you see? It says it just type the rubbish. That's what it says. Let me test something correct now. This time around I've typed my name. It only say Ayomide. It's not saying welcome Ayomide. So what I will do right now to make him say welcome Ayomide, I will remove this answer from this hello, then go to operators, then get join apple banana, put it inside the hello, and then put the answer inside the banana. So if I click on, so can you see, hey eraser, I'll type Ayomide there, enter. Can you see I get apple Ayomide, and that's not what I want to do. So I will delete this apple, type welcome there, welcome, and then add space at the front like this. So welcome to the ultimate, what's your name? So I type Ayomide there now, welcome Ayomide. Can you see? Then after it says that, I will bring it here. I just type let's get started like this. Alright, so let me click on it now. Welcome to the ultimate Beetle race. What's your name? Ayomide. Enter. Welcome Ayomide. Let's get started. Very good. So I hope you got this and you are able to do what we've done so far. Alright, so I will end this video here now. So the next video we are going to continue from where we stop. Bye for now and see you in the next video.